Femi, go, Femi here.
Nigerian people. Please, today is a historical day. Yes. And the reason is historical is that we are confronted with one of the most brutal regimes. Okay. But the good news is that the regime is about to go down. Yes. The great news is that I predicted years ago that Tinubu is going to bring about the revolution in Nigeria. Yes. And we are on track. We are very much on track. Anytime a revolution is about to happen, it's not like cooking a pot of soup. No. When you know when to put Maggi or salt. But it comes at an unexpected time. Yes. And it comes because certain mistakes have to be made by the ruling class. Yes. So that they will trip and fall. And they have made it. Even as we speak now, nobody can tell you Tinubu's location. Okay. It's nowhere to be found. Hey. And it's a matter of time before the Nigerian people wake up. We are waking them up, and the awakening is here. Yes. And we have no doubt that people who are not here are hearing us from all over the country. Yes. They are hearing us from all over the world. The time has come for Nigeria to embrace a revolution. Yes. And I am very happy that even as we are here, protests are going on in Ibadan over the help that those kids who have been kidnapped from Ibadan need. To shock you, those kids have been moved from Oyo State to Kaduna Quarry. I'm revealing to you today. Hey. Nobody knows whether they are alive or dead. And the people who should be tracking and giving them the list of life they need, they are here wasting your time over what Sowore said about Bola Tinubu, which is very true. He's a criminal. Anyway, we confirm it. So the decision that was taken by the judge is that I should be sent to prison until Wednesday. Please don't be disappointed. I am going to go there because I already packed my bag. They can never break you. Nobody. I knew this decision was taken a long time ago. I'm aware of all their small plans. But we will go out and come back more triumphant. So when I go to prison today, I'll come back on Wednesday, and I urge you guys to come out in large numbers across the country. And those of you who want to follow us to Kuje, let's go on a ride. We are going! We are going! And those who cannot come, also be ready. We are ready. Because the work is not about my going to prison. The work is how to break out of prison. Thank you very much. Aluta continua. Aluta continua. Revolution. Revolution.
Let's just give space.
Even in the military government, you activate them.
Why are they closing the gates now? What's happening?